Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. E-commerce SwiftUI inside today need to make this here the third variant of the home screen tabs. We need to develop here. Look like this UI we need to develop here. First of all, we need to this UI for we need this here the one external library we need to need here. We need to already find out here and we need to use this here. Now first of all, we need to see this here the library similar to here's and look like this here the customize here the row spams and call spams also need to integrate here need this here the first ones is the true rows and two columns are the spams seconds inside the no spams and then after cells need this here the two row spams needs and then after no needs like this need to managing here so need to use this here so we need to first of all how to import this package we need to go here and we need to line up codes need to copy of this code and we need to find out here the codes inside the sections we need to go here select here the projects inside this e-commerce projects and we need to find out here the package dependency and now need to enter here and we need to add this here this urls and we need to find out like this package and we need to add this package and to select this here the package add the target as a e-commerce need to select here the package like so need to important here the most important parts then after need to create here the new file from the templates select here the shift UI view and we need to give this here the name home tab 3 screen like so need to create here and set this here first of all need to import here the needed library need to import here so need to use here the exactly grids now like this we need to importing here so need to set here now how to integrate this here so need to first of all the making here the codes need to write down here so need to need this data already need to put here inside the assets need to give this here the image need to put here the grid image like here so need to set here this is the grid image need to put it here image sections inside. Now, then after we need to go here the tab 3 and we need to write down here the list array we need to develop here. Before the develop here the list, we need to use this here the grid. Use here the grid and we need to like here. So we need to set here the 0 to set here the temporary need to set here the 8 and id is equal to give this here the self and now need to use this here the track custom package we need to set here the 2 and we need to change this here the index like so need to write down here now need to new hides use here new hide commands and we extension need to use and also need to give this here the padding but later we need to make this UI afters need to use here now these are the configures now and of course these are the committed here and we need to integrate here the UI first of all need to use this here the row here the round rect is good need to show how to create like this grids you need to draw here like this UI how to drawing here similar to this UI how to draw these cells so need to explain here inside the grids using here the exactly grids you need to use this here and we need to use this here the round rect like here round rect corners round rect and we need to set here the fill colors set here with and heights letters need to configure now we need to set here the grids as a set here the tens and make sure we need to set here the space 0 like so we need to setting here and we need to most important parts of the this UI looks okay need to set here the clip array clipped this UI like this and we need to use this here the grade span and we use this here the column and row like here so need to give this not value now this the grid related some configurations are the reads here the property grid and grid need to set here the content mode need to set here the scroll and last one is the grid flow we need to set here the row wise flow. We need to set here, and now we need to spam columns. We need to configure. We need to set here the spam, and we need to set here the blue colors. This is the frame height and width later set. Now we need to set here the condition. First, we need to see here the designs. Need to convert into the two columns like this. This is the two columns and two row. This one is the one column and row. Two row and one columns and one row one columns like this. We need to set here. So need to like here the drawing here the spams. We need to how to write down here. So need to follow this here the path 1, 2, 3, 4 like this cells. We need to integrate here inside this UI. Need to like here as you stalls like this here. So need to create here. First one is the example. So need to set here the 2 by 2. Second one cell is the 1 by 1 like here, and third one is the 1 by 2 means one columns and two row. First one is the columns, second one is the row. Like so need to consider this. Third one is like this patterns here the follow here. So need to 1 by 1 like here. You need to convert into the dynamically how to write down this value. You need to put here. So need to using here the modes functionality. You need to set here the index. You need to get here. Now commit this line of codes and you need to use here. We need to write down here the indexed percentage means modular signs. We need to use this here for equal to 0 means here the first columns need to find out here. Need to first and also need to columns as a need to only first, then you need to set like this here the 0. That's why I need to pass this here the 2 like these conditions. You need to apply here and 2 value only get this here the even condition inside him to get 0 and 2 we need to get like this here the value. We need to use this here the value as a columns like here. Paste this here and to module 2 because every second cells like this we need to big cells we need to present here and set here. Same as now need to width and height. So need to configure. So need to put this value and we need to set here the width percentage. Need to write down here width percentage dot width percentage. Inside we need to put this value. If here the full width, then we need to give this here the height. So need to configure as a 0.1.0 and otherwise 0.5. Like so need to set as a width. Same as now need to copy and we need to paste this here and we need to configure this here the 2 equals here and look like this here the show, but here not showing good. So need to change here the filters. So need to use this here the linear gradients colors inside. We need to give any two colors, color red and color blue. We need to set here the start points as a tops and bottom like so. Need to configurations and show. Now this is the grids are the completed here and also need to check here. Now like this we need to configurations are the needs and we need to configure for this value. We need to set here and we need to set it like this value are the configures. Now already we need to make here the UI. We need to gettings here the data we need to set here. Now we need to convert into the data. We need to how to set here the similar to UI. We need to draw here. First of all, we need to go here. So inside we need to set here the already recorded. So need to copy and paste this here the data. We need to use this here the state variables where list array equal to paste this line of codes. We need to set here. Now need to change here indexed, apply here the 0 to length count and we need to self here and to pass this here the indexed value. Need to get here for this data. Now we need to convert into the z stack. So we need to remove this here this value. We need to change here z stack like here. Inside, we need to making here the image. Need to call here. Need to like here. Need to calling here the image index of value. Need to get here the value as a indexed, not indexed object is equal to need to self dot index value need to getting here, and we need to pass this here the object like here as optionals, and we need to set this here the string blank resizables, and also need to same frames we need to given these here need to copy, and we need to space here content we need to set here the fill and remove here this frame. Remove here the opacity, no needs. Now need to clean here, show like here similar to UI, need to make this here, and we need to set it this data are the done here, and integrated here, so we need to configures apply here. Then after, so we need to set here the text property, and we need to configure this here the this just tag value also need to copy, and we need to set here the text, need to give this here the object brackets inside name as optional string like here. Then after, so need to set here the bold 34s, and make sure so need to set here the foreground style, need to set here is colors is true, means here the red colors of the set of these fonts, otherwise need to white. Like this, we need to conditions we need to apply here. First of all, so need to set this here the object, and set here is color flags we need to get here is color as optional boolean. By default, we need to set here the false. If true, then to set this here the color dot primary app colors. If not, then we need to use this here color white. Next, we need to configurations and set like this here the value. Now need to set here the if conditions for the text alignment. Use this here if indexed equal to mode for equal to 0, means here the first cells. That's why I need to pass this here the space like here, apply here, and make sure so need to set here padding. Maybe use this here the paddings as a bottom, need to set here the 25, verticals 25 cheers, and horizontal set here the 15. Show like here the this data, and need to configure here, make sure what these conditions are the applying here for this data. Otherwise, need to like this here the conditions need to cut here this apply here and makes right else part. Else parts look like this here the sets need to set this bottom like this. Integrations are the needed, and I need to put this here, need to try to increase this data, set here the comma here also, like this sets go inside here the main. You need to change here the tabs 3 like here home tabs and like the scrolls also need to work here. Similar to designs need to making like this here the UI need to configurations are the setted here and make sure mistake this cells sit that's left. Now wait for reflect. Now this is the displaying good show and we need to set same as designs need to making like this good here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.